In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept all changes in Grammarly. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open your Grammarly account. Once you log in, you'll land on the Grammarly homepage. This is your central hub, a place where you can access all your documents and explore Grammarly's many features. For today, I'll be demonstrating this process using Google Docs, a tool that integrates seamlessly with Grammarly. This combination not only makes editing efficient, but also keeps the process intuitive. If you haven't yet started using Google Docs, I highly recommend setting it up. It's a fantastic complement to the Grammarly experience. Once you have your document open in Google Docs, look for a small Grammarly icon. Often you'll find it lurking in the bottom right corner or tucked away in the top menu. Clicking on this icon will activate Grammarly, instantly setting it to work. The tool begins scanning your document for grammar, spelling, and stylistic suggestions. What's powerful about Grammarly is its capacity to detect areas for improvement across a wide spectrum of writing nuances. From basic spelling mistakes to subtle stylistic shifts, Grammarly has got you covered. As Grammarly processes your text, it will highlight sections where it sees room for enhancement. These might include grammar tweaks, spelling corrections, or stylistic adjustments designed to elevate your writing. Beside each highlight, you'll see an Accept button or option. Clicking on this button applies Grammarly's suggested change directly into your document. This straightforward process ensures you can seamlessly incorporate the recommendations you deem fit. To ensure your document is fully polished and meets Grammarly's standards, you'll need to click Accept for each suggestion it makes. While this step might seem a bit tedious, especially if your document is on the longer side, it's essential. By accepting each change individually, you are ensuring that every correction is thoughtfully applied, contributing to a finely polished final product. This meticulous approach guarantees that you've reviewed and agreed with each suggestion Grammarly provides, enhancing the overall quality of your writing. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to efficiently accept all changes in Grammarly. This method not only saves you time, but significantly enhances the quality of your document. When you're done, you'll have a piece of writing that's corrected, coherent, and compelling. Using Grammarly in this manner is a beneficial addition to any writer's toolkit, helping you create content that consistently meets high standards of accuracy and eloquence.